Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Shopify domain. We will cover two primary methods: connecting a domain you purchased directly through Shopify and linking an existing domain from a third-party provider. Proper domain setup is crucial for establishing a professional online presence and ensuring your customers can easily find your store. Let's get started with the first method. When you purchase a domain directly through Shopify, the connection process is largely automatic and straightforward. You simply need to navigate to your Shopify admin, then go to Settings and Domains to confirm its active status. From there, you can easily set it as your primary domain, ensuring all traffic seamlessly redirects to your main store address. This provides a consistent and professional experience for your customers. Connecting a third-party domain requires a few manual steps within your domain provider's settings. First, access your domain's DNS management area. You will need to change the record to Shopify's IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. Additionally, update the CNAME record for www to shops.myshopify.com. After saving these changes, verify the connection in your Shopify admin. After making any DNS changes, it is important to allow up to 48 hours for these updates to fully propagate across the internet. You can monitor your domain status directly within your Shopify admin under the Domains section. Also, confirm that your SSL certificate is active, ensuring a secure connection for your visitors. If your domain still isn't connecting after 2 full days, reach out to Shopify support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.